The most complex and high-risk parts of invoice processing is tax calculation. Your vendors all present tax differently. Some include it per line item, some as a lump sum, and some even get the final total wrong. Manually catching these inconsistencies is a huge drain on time and major compliance risk. I'm going to upload a document that contains several such invoices, each with a different tax structure. This is a perfect example of the kind of variation that forces teams to waste hours double checking the math in spreadsheets. As Adaptec processes the files, it's not just reading the numbers, it's understanding the financial logic of each document, preparing to validate every calculation. Instantly, we will see the power of our tax engine. On this first invoice, again, like we've explained, it has flagged the total amount of the tax amount because it needs validation. Why? Because the tax amount has been written below, outside of where the line items are. Hence, all we need to do is click recompute tax, allot the tax person. Let's look at another invoice. Here, it has correctly picked out the tax amount because it has been written just below the line items and it doesn't need any further validation. Here is another example, just like the first bill, where the tax amount has been written at the end as a total. It's validated. This is an interesting example. Reason being, there is a new item called freight on sale at 18%, which is why there is a mismatch. Now, I would like to take this opportunity to share another feature called macros. What macros does is helps you edit data points just like you would in Excel. Instead of having to create formulas in Excel, all you have to do is put in the fields here. And as you can see, this has been validated. Now, I will run recompute tax and it has been validated. So what this does is remove the hassle for you to build formulas on Excel. Our system has been built to understand relationships between this document because it relies on contextual intelligence, not OCR place template based extraction. Let's go to the final bill as an example. Here, same issue as the first bill where tax has been written at the end. We recompute. And the error is a result of round off. And it's validated. Ultimately, these two features, recompute tax and macros, help improve the productivity of people who have to deal with the data points on a regular basis. Stop chasing down tax errors and eliminate spreadsheets from your workflow. Adaptec delivers data you can trust.